Wintertime grind, I'm really in my bag. Got krills now, I don't need no do-rag. I got a Beamer now, I don't need no Jag. Foreign whip, so you know I cannot crash. Gucci glasses, so you know I got a bag. Boy, you know you don't got no cash. Hey. What up, y'all? It's your boy Sean the Young OG, man. We back here for another video, man. We out here on our last day out here in Miami, man. You see the vibes out here, man. You see the vibes out here, feeling real good. I had an amazing birthday, man. It's amazing out here. I love it out here. I gotta go on another trip, or I'm gonna have to move out of Michigan somewhere hot like this, man. This is where I wanna be at, man. This is the life, man. Anyways, it's your boy Sean the Young OG, man. Catching y'all. Check out is 11 o'clock and it's 12 o'clock. So we gonna be leaving out of here real soon. And our flight is later on tonight, so we're gonna be getting some food. And yeah. And then we're gonna head to the airport like 4 o'clock or so. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all, man. Hey man, man. You see the freaking, we trash this place, bro. That's the only way to do it, man. Damn it! You see how we did this, man. You see how I did my birthday vlog, man. You see the vlog, man. You see how I did this, man. Did it big for my birthday. See the shower. A lot of things happened up in the shower. Anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all, man. This is a lobster patty. It's a lobster patty, man. Y'all about to have a mukbang with me. I ain't playing this. I ain't playing no more with y'all, man. We about to have a mukbang. Stop playing. Mukbang with your boy. Can they see me? It's good. Alright, it's a lobster patty. It's your boy Sean the Young OG, man. Be out here in Florida. Out the outside. The outside's really good.
Yeah, I like the
outside. Hey man, it's pretty fire. Not worth the price. $10 for 2. I might as well give me a real beef patty. I might give me a real beef patty from a Jamaican restaurant, man. They're gonna charge me $2 for 2 big beef patties. This is a beef patty right here, man. It's different. This is like a different type of place. It's not like a Jamaican
I don't think
spot.
it's Jamaican.
It's like something else.
I don't think it's Jamaican.
We went here the first day and got that pasta, the mac and cheese, and the fries. That was good. We should have got some more of those fries.
Yeah.
But I'll get some patties though. I'm gonna catch y'all, man.
You're not even finished.
Alright. She want me to finish a mukbang on the camera. Look at this. fast. Alright, man, I might get some pizza and some patties and head to the beach. It was raining here for a little bit, now it's all sunny again. So that's what we might do. Right? We gotta be back here by like 3 o'clock. So we can order those and head out. Alright, y'all. Catch y'all. What we gonna do at the beach? Hey man, y'all see the pizza, man. It's as big as my hand. Don't tell me what to do. It's as big as my hand. Y'all see the pizza out here, man. It's that New York pizza. That's that good brick of a New York pizza. I've been eating this every day. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I've been eating this every day, dog. It's man, it's like crack. It's like crack in the 80s, bro. This is like crack in the 80s. Alright, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done eating my crack. Yeah, get the motherfucking skyline on these hoes, nigga. Be on the motherfucking jet ski with this shit. Stop playing with me, nigga. Stop playing with me. Big 21 around this bitch. Stop playing with me. Yeah.